How to fix all Windows Update errors. So if you're trying to install the latest Windows Update and you're getting any kind of error, I'm going to show you how to go and solve all of these issues. Now, first thing you want to do is go and open up your Start menu, search for Troubleshoot and click on Troubleshoot Settings. Now click on Other Troubleshooters and you'll see Windows Update, click on Run. Now scroll down and it will say which problem are you experiencing. I'm going to select I can't download, install or uninstall an update. You can then scroll down and go and run the automated diagnostics by pressing yes. Now once you've done that, you can check to see if it solves the issue. If it's not working, open back up the Start menu, search for CMD and then right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. Now from this window here, you need to go and type in the following command. We're going to type in sfc /scan now and then press enter. You can then wait a few minutes while this scans your computer for any damaged or corrupted files. So you'll need to wait for this verification to get to 100% and then once again check to see if that solves the issue. Now if it's still not working, open up your Start menu. You can then search for services and click on this window. Now scroll down to the very bottom and you'll see a service called Windows Update. Go in, right click on this and press stop. Now go and double click on this again and change the startup type to disabled and then press apply and OK. Now open up your File Explorer and click on your computer from the left hand side. Now click on your C drive, scroll all the way down and click on Windows and then scroll down again until you see a folder called Software Distribution. Click on this and now go and delete all of the files and folders inside of here. So I'm just going to press this trash icon, select do this for all current items and press continue. Now once everything's been deleted, head back over to your service page. You can then double click on Windows Update and go and change the startup type to automatic. Now press apply and OK. You can then right click on this again and press start. Now finally, you'll need to restart your computer and check if that solves the issue. If you have tried all of these steps and it's still not working, one final solution is opening up your Start menu and clicking on Settings. From the left hand side, select Windows Update and then scroll down to Advanced Options. You can then scroll down and click on Recovery, and where it says Fix Problems using Windows Update, go and press Reinstall Now. You can then go through the steps to reinstall the Windows Update and that should have now solved your issue.